What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Today we headed down to Joe Buddy Racing. I got to get the drive shaft put together, and I think he might have a cross member. Like I said, I've been looking for another cross member. Man, I got Jesse fixing mine, but I still been looking for one. So that's where we headed. Got the drive shaft loaded up, U-joints, the yoke, all that good stuff. Cause I'm trying to get it ready, so when the transmission come, I don't want to have to. I don't want to have to be looking for nothing. I got the transmission fluid, all of that. I got everything. Only thing I'm lacking now is the cross member. Oh, and the flywheel came in too, man. I got to show y'all that flywheel when they get back. I told y'all I thought it was a Hughes. I ordered the TCI flywheel this time. I got a Hughes on my Camaro, but I ordered the TCI. Boy, that thing fire. I don't know how a flywheel can be fire. That thing is fire, boy. I'm talking about it's straight jet black. I gotta show it to y'all when we get back. But yeah, like I said, just stay tuned. Finna get that drive shaft put together. Check on the Camaro again, cause the Camaro gonna have to go to Jesse and all that. So I'm gonna show y'all where it's at, the state of the Camaro and all that stuff. Jesse backed up about 2 weeks. So yeah, that's where we at. And meats, man, I ain't driving meats today because y'all see the ground is wet. Rain won't let it be great, man. It done rain every day this week. Like the rain just finally tomorrow we're gonna finally get a break, a real break from the rain. And I'm gonna be messing with Dolo tomorrow on. So if you tune in tomorrow, then I'm gonna be messing with Dolo on. I'm gonna be putting the flywheel on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the flywheel on, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of the bell housing off the motor, cause it's still up there. Alright, when the transmission, it just fell out the car, so I just left the bell housing still bolted up there. So I'm gonna get that. We're gonna do that tomorrow and go ahead and get the flywheel on there, get it torqued down and all that good stuff. So when transmission come for real, we can just pop it in there and hey, hook it up, put the fluid in it, and then we're going back to riding. So yep, that's it, man. I need this. I think it's gonna work. I got a bracket. I was thinking about my linkage for my cable, my bracket for my cable. I was thinking about if it's gonna work on that transmission pan, but I need to double check it. I'm not sure. If it's not, I need to order one tonight. But yep, that's enough talking. We finna get Joe Buddy Racing. See y'all there. All right, checking in, y'all. Got wifey with me, so she out there in the car chilling. But this what we got. Like I said, we got the 372 U-joint for the yoke. Then we got them super strength U-joint for the back this time, cause I should be good to go. But this the U-joint. That's why I said you gotta have the 372, cause this yoke uses an outside lock right here. So you see, you use the outside lock. I don't know if y'all can see. So you have to have that special U-joint. That 372 uses. Well, I done went over there before, cause I had to have it on this one. It's the same. It's set up the same way. See, they got the inside lock. Then we got the outside lock right there. So same U-joint, 372. And y'all see, we still got the cap. Still got the cap in here. So yep, that's what we got going on, y'all. Get it done. Then I gotta show y'all that gangster flywheel, man. That thing there is nice. So it's super nice. So yep, that's what we at. Gonna get this on. I'll check in with y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, I'm checking in. Y'all see my boy Mark. My fam, man. Mark looking good on the wheels. Right there. That thing there is clean. Market is clean, man. Right here tough, boy. That bad boy clean. Market. Alright. I'm checking in, y'all. I'm checking in. So today, look, man. Today, let me get this light right, man. Let me get this lighting right, y'all. But yeah, look, y'all, today, all the race car drivers down here today, y'all. All the race car drivers, look. My boy Clint gave all the go fast part. Excuse the wind. He going over the 5 lug. Already went. Nah, he's still 4 lug. Going over the 5 lug. They got all these go fast stuff over here, man. So, it ain't nothing but. Hey man, what all these race car drivers doing over here today?
Hey man, race car drivers.
Look, all these race car drivers over here today, y'all.
They ready for the big showdown.
hey, cuz you supposed to be over here in the club, man. You the main one. You the main one. Well, y'all see Mark coming. Mark coming, man. He'll be Mark be picking this thing up soon. He'll be picking this bad boy up soon, boy. I love them wheels though. Wheel tough. So, yep.
We got 2.
Look. There's a new race car drive over here. Look, there's another race car. We got all these money. Hey,
We got 3.
Oh, yeah.
nah.
Jones hiding right now.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
You know, listen, you know he got to talk to the car. Tell him to get right. Tell Jones to get right.
Yeah, I got to talk to him.
He acting up right.
I got to talk to him, man. Hey, look.
He's gonna take me where his little brother broke down there. See what he gonna do. Gotta be me do what y'all going.
Yeah, Big Me kept going. Hey, but look,
He's getting a big block.
look, Twan the Pro Mod driver though. Yeah, the Pro Mod. You the Pro Mod driver.
Pro mod.
Yeah, right there.
Show it to him.
Y'all see?
Show him all the pro and the mods to it. Please. Right now, before y'all go ahead and keep on going. Show him everything. Show him the whole bottom and all.
Hey, look, y'all see?
Nobody saying,
I'm gonna tell y'all what he
that's
did
a
now.
brand new tank.
It is. Look,
Don't start there.
he cut
You showed it in
the
box. Hold on. Don't
he
start
cut the
that,
top
Jay.
out of it, y'all. It's a
Don't
fuel
start that,
cell up there. It's a fuel cell up there. He cut the top out of here, right?
Don't start that, Jay.
Look, let me put my hood back on.
Hey, yeah, put here back on now. Y'all don't even want to see that over there.
I ain't never the vortex.
It's a vortex. Nah, hey, it's a vortex time too. Y'all don't want to see that over there, boy. Hey, nah. It was, man. It might have been 20-second pad, y'all. That thing was going nowhere, man. Hey, I made it home. I made it home.
That's how you know when he got 2 race cars ready and 1 on the way. He know what slow feel like.
Hey, I ain't got no comeback for that one. I ain't got no comeback for that. I ain't got no comeback for that one.
Teaching his wife how to burn out.
Oh yeah.
So what, she gonna drive one of the cars? Who's Dolo?
Nah, man. Hey, I'm finna cut the camera. I'm done, man. All that time in video, y'all. Look at this.
Put bigger exhaust tips on the
Look at the biggest exhaust in the world,
That's all
bro.
I wanted.
In the world, Craig. Look at that exhaust.
That's all I wanted.
Ooh, boy, look at that. Look at that exhaust, boy. Good God Almighty.
Oh, Lord.
Never seen no exhaust that big.
Telling me he ain't got no 3 inches off.
Make sure y'all take a good
He
look
got,
at him.
hey, Clint, he got 4 inches off.
That's race car stuff.
I believe that 4 inches off.
You say who?
That 4 inch.
No.
That
I'm
4 inch.
missing some inches, man. If y'all gonna give me 4, you might well give me 8. God.
Hey, man. Hey.
Listen, man. Them ain't 4 inches exhaust, man. Don't look under there, man. Don't show them what's under there. See what I'm saying?
What?
Yeah,
Up on Mark car.
Mark
Let me
got
see.
the real stuff over there.
Hey, yo, now Mark a race car for real now. Yeah, Mark is a race car. We just playing about everything else, but
He got the whole 9.
Mark trained to go now. He trained to go for real. We just be playing about all the rest of them, but this one right here. Nah.
That Mustang over there, that Mustang over there right there.
Oh, hold on now.
Street car.
The street car.
Hey, street car. You can drive that to. Hey, look. You can drive this literally from.
I can't tell.
I'm gonna say Jeffersonville all the way to Bradenton,
I can do whatever you want to do.
back towards the loop.
I can do
Don't take the gas.
I can do whatever you can do.
Hey.
You want to put your money on?
He said that thing.
I ain't talking about you want to put your money on.
I gotta go to work.
Can you put your money on?
What's he trying me everywhere? Fueling
It's
tank.
called self-learning. I need everybody to understand what this do for me.
Uh-oh.
It done the whole car down. Ain't no power in it. It's a 350. Hold on. Did you go show these folks this 350 block?
Huh?
It's a peanut mode in there. Show on the
A
350
350 block. Hold on now.
block. Yeah, show on the 350
Wait a minute.
block. That is not a 400 block. That's not a doggone big block. That is a peanut block, man. Don't nobody race with peanut motors no more, man. That was back in the day when Joe was young type stuff. Don't nobody do that no more.
Hey, whatever you use 3/4 can come.
Yo, three-quarter, yo.
Man, listen.
3/4 can.
I ain't even nowhere near that big. I got barely over stock, as they would say.
Nah, man. Hey, look. Hey, man, look. Hey, y'all. Don't listen to these guys. These race car drivers on here. Hey, my cousin, you really supposed to be over here. You the real race car driver. Hey, what you say the name, man? You gotta tell me.
His name is Renegade, everybody. I need everybody to understand his name is Renegade. Every time I see this man, he got purple cans sitting beside his stuff. He always filling up
with a can at? Hold on. Where it said? It was. It's a can over here for real. That's it. Hey, that's what he said. Cousin's name is Renegade. But
hold on, let me pick him up so folks can see him.
He always had this around.
This is a good name. Will prediction. He got a whole gas station.
Hey, hold on, come show the back of it.
He got a whole. Hold on.
That's how he gonna be when he come out the hole. Look how you look.
Hey, look, if you look at his comments, I always put a car with smoke behind it. He got a real race car.
Yeah. So y'all go over to Cuzzo video and type hashtag Renegade. That's the new hashtag right there.
Yeah.
Hey, Twan got down on that name, but that's your name, Cuzzo, Renegade. I ain't calling you by your name no more, I'm gonna call you Renegade.
Hey, he got the real race car though, we ain't gonna lie.
He got the race car, man.
Mike Myers the real race car.
He got the race car.
Dolo out of that race.
Hey, Dolo, street car.
I'm not.
Street car, man.
Don't you dare scoot big
You
nigga
got
out of that race.
two real race cars.
Hey, man, street car.
I'm trying this to go against each other.
Man, I got street car, man.
Real car.
I got street car.
Put me one car away from the line in order to race them because I won't do it.
All right, man. Hey.
Put me one car away from the line. That's the only chance I got.
Hey, look, I'll take care of y'all in a minute. All right, what's good with y'all? We back. We made it to the house. Made it back to the house. Definitely not an exciting vlog, y'all. But like I said, every day ain't excitement. But y'all got to see a little shop fun. We tripping out and everything, man. Shout out to all the guys or whatever. Showing love. Aunt down there working big time. So I ain't. I was gonna stay. Wasn't nothing to show y'all. We're putting U joints in. Y'all done saw that plenty of times anyway. But he down there turning wrenches, man. Trying to get Mark out of there. Trying to get Twan out of there. All the money Carlos stuff. Trying to get everybody out the shop or whatever. Cause you know how it is. People do be ready for their stuff. Fully understandable, man. Fully understandable for real. We all, we dump money in these things and all that. You be ready. So he down there. He down there getting in. I think Clint down there helping him too. Shout out my boy Dirty Works. Twan, I think everybody, all hands on deck down there tonight, man. But yeah, so I was down there tripping out with them guys and all that, man. Salute to all them guys, good people. Good people. That's why I said, man, a lot of y'all that watch and stuff, I'm mean y'all and stuff, but y'all, it's some real good people out there. But they got to be some good people. I mean, you can relate to each other. I just look at it like this. If a person can watch me, cause I keep it so real and I do show y'all my real personality, like they really me. I feel like if somebody can vibe with me, they got to be solid, cause they see how I roll. I ain't with no negativity. I don't engage in no BS or none of that stuff. That ain't me. If you with that, I ain't I don't do none of that. No. But look, I came in here in the garage show y'all the flywheel, cause y'all know the two knuckleheads, they sleep. But show y'all that flywheel, man. That flywheel is, that thing here gangster, man. That thing here is, I'm talking about straight jet black. But this it's a TCI. Y'all be asking for the part numbers. Make sure you know if you got a 1-piece rear main seal or 2-piece rear main seal, cause you will order the wrong flywheel. But I got a 2-piece rear main seal. With a part number, there you go. Go to information. I don't know, man. Screenshot it and get it. SFI approved. It's a TCI flex plate. Got the SFI sticker on it. And it's heavy duty. Like I said, this thing here is jet black. So yeah, this is a good one. It's a good old flex plate. So we got everything new now. Now, all I'm waiting on is, see, I get the drive shaft. I'm just waiting on DJ now. When DJ give me that call, say he ready, hey, we're gonna be on again. But that thing is nasty. Hey, I don't even want to cover it up. But anyway, yeah, like I said, that's it, man. Ain't nothing exciting. I just want to give y'all some shop vibes, something to trip out on and all of that. Tomorrow we'll be back to turning some wrenches for real. Cause I'm thinking about it with Dolo. I can go ahead and put my rear end cover on, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Put the rear end cover on. I got tank oil on regular vehicles too, but I ain't showing that. But I'm put the rear end cover on. I might go ahead and put that flywheel on. Yeah, that's what I said I'm gonna do. Put the flywheel on and get the rest of the bell housing. The rest of that right there. Get that off. So yep, man, I hope I ain't rushing him though. I'm not rushing DJ. But boy, I hope DJ call me either tomorrow or Friday at the latest. Boy, that'll be good. If he call me tomorrow or Friday and say, hey, Zay, I got you ready, I might be out there. We might have Dolo out there. But if he hit me Saturday or Friday night, if it's Friday night, I know I ain't gonna be out there. Even Friday, I mean, if he hit me Friday, it gotta be early. Cause I'm going to track Saturday if it don't rain. And if it rain, I ain't gonna be able to put in no way. So, I don't know. We'll see, man. Maybe Dolo be at the car meet, but Big Meats Big Meats will be at the car meet. That's for sure. And I'm looking forward to seeing everybody out there. So, yep, that's it, y'all. I catch y'all tomorrow, man. I love tuning in with y'all, reading comments every day. But I see y'all back tomorrow. We won't have no rain, so we're gonna turn some wrenches in. That's it.